with over a dozen videos on our channel showing you some of the most useful top 10. It's time for a roundup of our favorite Chrome extensions. For this top 10, we will divide it into two parts. For the part 1, we will show you the absolute best Chrome extension in several categories, including the ad blocker we like the most, all of which can be used with Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Brave browser. Let's get started. Dark Reader is an awesome open source extension that enables a dark theme, inverting the colors on the website you visit, making them easier to read, especially at night. For example, when you are on a website with a lot of white space, selecting the Dark Reader icon gives you the option to turn it on or off for each individual site. Let's turn it on. As you can see, with the bright color inverted, it's easier to look at without blinding your eyes. If you need more control, throw filters below to switch the mood to the light mode. Will be less bright than the typical website with Dark Reader turned off. You can also adjust the brightness, contrast, and grayscale. If you are familiar with the DuckDuckGo search engine that doesn't track your activity, their Privacy Essentials extension is also quite useful. It blocks trackers that follows you online, keeping your personal information from being exposed when visiting websites, and will change your browser's default engine to DuckDuckGo. On any website, when you click the Privacy Essentials icon, you will see a privacy grade for that site. With the enhancement forced by this extension, the site grade has been upgraded from the C+ to B. Below that, it will show you if the connection is encrypted and the number of trackers being blocked. If you use Wikipedia, Wikiwand is an award-winning extension that optimizes Wikipedia's content, giving you a much improved reading experience. It has a cleaner layout, a modern typography, and its fixed table of content make it easier to find what you are looking for. Normally when you go to Wikipedia, you get this outdated look, and because the content is not laid out well, it can sometimes be difficult finding the information that you are looking for. After installing the Wikiwand extension, all Wikipedia pages will automatically load with the new layout. And look, as you can see, the layout is a lot cleaner looking with the fixed table of contents. Keepa is another useful extension. If you shop on Amazon, it lets you take a look at the price history charts to make sure that you are getting the best deal. And it also lets you set up alerts to notify you if the price ever drops. Once Keepa is installed, when on a product page on Amazon, scroll down below the description to see the price history chart. In this example, the price has bounced around quick a bit at its peak and then low. You can add or remove filters to the graph here on the right by clicking on them. If you would like to get alerts from Keepa, if or when the price drops, select the Track Product tab to the right of price history. Then enter in the desired price in one of the field, or after clicking the field, select the price showing the discount in the window. Let's go with 10%. Click outside the window to close it. Click the drop down to select how long you want this item to be tracked. Let's go 6 months. Then after that, click on Start Tracking. Without any doubt, if you need an efficient ad blocker to use on overly aggressive websites, uBlock Origin is the absolute best. Not only does it block ads, it also blocks other contents to help improve the efficiency of CPU and memory. uBlock Origin is enabled by default and is not paid off like some of its competitors to let ads slip through. If you are on a site you would like to support and would like to see the ads, click the uBlock Origin icon, then click the power button to allow ads for this site. After doing that, click the refresh icon. On second thought, it's probably best to leave uBlock Origin turned on for the site. Thanks for watching. Links to all mentioned are in the description. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. What is your favorite Chrome extension? Let us know about it in the comments. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe and ring the bell for more top 10s and other tech related stuff here on SoftAsia Tech.